Hey all, welcome to Unleash Dance, and today we will be learning a house move. House move? What's that? Well, there's a genre called house music, which is where house dance comes from. It has a lot of crazy fast footwork, a lot of grooving, and it really helps you express your individuality. Right? So, let's get into it. The step that we're going to learn today is called tip, tap, toe. Alright? As I mentioned, there's a lot of grooving in house, so let's learn the groove first. Alright? So, you're going to go front, back, front, back, front, back. Like this. Front, back, front, back, front, back. This is the first layer in learning this move, which is the groove. Right? You don't want to do it like that. You want to keep it a little soft. Forward, back. There's a little delay in the upper body. And front, back, front. Yeah, front, back. Alright, so that's the groove. We're going to jump into the second layer. The second layer is the footwork. So, you're going to step right, left, left. Step forward right, step forward left, step back right, step back left. Alright, so we go forward, back, forward, back. Keep your knees soft throughout. Try to keep yourself relaxed and not, keep it relaxed. The more you try to tense, the more you try to engage and think about your muscles, the harder the move gets. Try to be relaxed as you do this. Right? One more time, the second layer. So we go front, back, front, back. Now let's combine the first and the second layer. The grooving and the footwork. Let's take it slow. 5, 6, 7, and front, back, front, back, front, back, back. Alright, awesome. Now we'll make it a little challenging. Instead of placing our flat feet, when we go forward, we're going to place our heels, and when we go back, we're going to place our toes. So it's going to be heel, toe. Heel, toe. Right? So, our main challenge will be the balance, but you can counter the balance by rocking forward and back. Yeah? This will really help you keep your balance. Rocking forward and back will help you keep your balance. Yeah? Cool. So, let's combine the first three layers and see how that looks. We'll go slow. 5, 6, 7, and heel, toe, front, back, right, left. 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now, as I mentioned, it's a little fast. When I say a little fast, it's fast. Alright? So the count for this would be 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Yeah? You have 2 counts to do 4 steps. Right? 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Cool? So make sure you're rocking your body, make sure your footwork is relaxed yet fast. Right? Keep your knees soft. 1, 2, 3, 4. Right? So let's take it slow, medium, and then the tempo of the song. Right? Let's take it slow. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Alright, a little faster. 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Awesome. Are you ready to go with the song? Let's go. Are you ready? 5, 6, 5, 6, 7.
watching.
If you've liked our video,
Do like, share, subscribe and click the bell icon.
stay tuned.